Property tip 21. In property investing, if your professional is not mentoring you, find another who will. You shouldn't ever have to ask for mentorship. Property tip 22. Not all mortgage brokers are equal. Don't be scared to quiz your mortgage broker before you engage them. What is their average client like? What does their own portfolio look like? Property tip 23. Don't ever let emotions get in the way of property investing decisions. Make sure you always do your due diligence and research before making any investment decision. Property tip 24. Networking is key in property investing. Find mentors and investors who can talk to you and run off ideas. Just be very careful who you take advice from. Property tip 25. Don't forget to factor in all costs when buying a property. These include interest rates, insurance, maintenance, water rates, strata fees, management fees. And remember to budget in unexpected expenses as well. Property tip 26. Don't be afraid to negotiate and haggle for the best deals when buying a property. Every dollar saved is a bonus for your investment. Property tip 27. Stay on top of current market trends and do your own research. Don't rely solely on the advice from others and trust in your own judgment and instincts as well. Property tip 28. Always have an exit strategy in mind before making any property investment decision. Make sure you have a 5, 10, and 15-year plan in place. Property tip 29. Don't forget to review and reassess your portfolio regularly. Make sure that your investments are in line with your long-term goals and make adjustments as needed. Property tip 30. Just because someone is a buyer's agent or a mortgage broker, it doesn't mean they have your best interest at heart. Always do your own due diligence before trusting a professional with your investment decision.